This video will demonstrate the essential letters and sounds lesson structure using the ELS Online teaching subscription and the print resources. We will cover a lesson for reception in Autumn 2, Week 4, Day 1 lesson. You can see the interactive whiteboard lesson being loaded on the ELS teaching subscription online now. The lesson structure is shown at the beginning of every lesson. You can see what year group, term and week the lesson is for. Reception, Autumn 2, Week 4, Day 1 lesson. Lessons for days 1 to 4 follow the same structure. Day 5 and the lessons in the review weeks follow a different structure. The lessons in days 1 to 4 follow a structure of review, teach, practice, apply, and review. There are 4 blueprint lesson plans in the teacher handbook found in the subscription online. The first slide shows us which lesson is being taught. In this lesson, children will be taught the new GPC AI-A. The next slide reminds you to use the ELS grapheme cards to review previously taught graphemes. The class then move on to reading harder to read and spell words. The children are prompted to read the words on the screen and then to use one of them in a sentence. In the next review section, the children rehearse oral blending. Click the icon to view the list of words. These are only to be read by the teacher and not the children. Sound out each word and ask the children to blend the word. S, o, k. S, o, k. Sock. The children continue to review previously taught content by reading the words fluently with previously taught GPCs, giving them the opportunity to consolidate their current knowledge. In the first Teach section, children are taught the new harder to read and spell word. Next, the new GPC is introduced. To bring some excitement in the classroom, the children are asked to drum on the desk to reveal the new GPC. And here's the new grapheme the children will be learning. This includes the image from the grapheme card. The same images are used across the wall friezes, grapheme cards, and activity books. This provides familiarity and consistency throughout the program. The next screen shows the new grapheme and a list of words that contain the new GPC. By giving this information, the children don't need to guess the words containing the new GPC. You are then given an opportunity to show children how to write the new grapheme. When using the whiteboard, children have the opportunity to write the grapheme themselves. This can be in the form of air writing, or using their finger to write on their knee, arm, or on the carpet. It's now time to practice reading words containing the new grapheme. If you click on the icon, a list of words appears one by one. You identify the new grapheme within the word and model, decoding and blending before the children participate. When they're ready to, the children can decode and read the word independently, and then you can click on the icon to reveal the picture. Here are some examples. All the words have the new grapheme highlighted, giving the children an opportunity to practice it again. The practice section continues with a prompt for the teacher to get out the ELS grapheme cards. The teacher should include the new grapheme card in the pack. This gives children an opportunity to review sounds they've previously learnt, plus a chance to spot the new sound. Next, it's time for the children to apply their new learning. Click on the link here, and a sentence will appear. The children then read the sentence containing the new grapheme, along with previously taught GPCs and harder to read and spell words. Click on the icon to reveal a picture, confirming they've read the sentence correctly. Here are a few examples. The children now apply their learning independently using their ELS Apply activity book. You should clearly model the activity. This provides all learners with the knowledge required to complete the Apply activity. It's during this time where most of your class make their independent application of their new knowledge. This means you can provide an in-lesson intervention to those children who require additional support. For those children requiring additional support, use the activity on the next screen. Click on the link here and an image will appear. Following the teacher's model, children will use either magnetic tiles or the printable graphene tiles from the teaching subscription to build the words shown by the image using the spelling sequence to support them. Click on the image to reveal the word so children can check the word they've made is correct. Here are a few examples. The final slide prompts the end of a lesson with a review task. You'll be asked to finish the lesson with a quick review using the ELS graphene flashcards and the new harder to read and spell word, along with any harder to read and spell words that your children may need additional practice of. To find out more about ELS, please visit www.oxfordprimary.com/essential letters and sounds today.